my dear students, hope you are all fine and I hope that you could understood all the previous videos of standard 12, that is lesson 1 to lesson 7. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about, we are entering into the next unit, that is unit 8, dual nature of radiation and matter. Okay, so in the last two units we have studied about the light in two perspectives, two views. Okay, one is the light is traveling in a straight line, that is ray optics, and another we have considered the light is having a wave nature, that is we told that light sometime it will behave like a it will be like a ray, and sometimes it will be having the wave nature. Okay, so similarly in our nature, in the universe, we can categorize all the materials, all the things in the universe into two categories. Okay, one as radiation and the other one as material. Okay, all the materials in the, all the matters, all the things in the universe we can categorize into radiation and material. Okay, so what is meant by radiation? Okay, radiation means we know that we are getting light from the sun. Okay, that is the light from the sun, we are calling it as radiation. Okay, material means small, that is you can think like a sand or marble or whatever may be. It is consisting of so many, it is made up of electron, proton and neutron, and we are calling that as material. Okay, so this material we can categorize, for example we can say sound waves, light waves, ripples in water. These are all having the waves, that is it is radiation. Okay, but here we can say it is these materials will be having material. Okay, the smallest element of material matter is electron. Okay, adu electron, proton, neutron ala irukkiradhu adu vandu material nu solrom. Something like this light or ripples, ripples in water, then sound, these are all having the radiation. So we are categorizing it into material and radiation. So we can say what is material. Suppose you take a sand or a marble. Okay, you can touch it, you can feel it. Okay, it will be having certain mass. Okay, so you can see it. So these are all material will be having. Okay, when you think of a radiation, okay, we cannot touch and we cannot see it. Okay, these are all some of the properties of radiation. So let me discuss some of the properties of radiation and matter. Okay, so we know that the radiation will spread like a wave. Okay, ripples in water, it will be spreading like a wave. That's the radiation. But matters, if you throw a sand, it will move on. Okay, it shoots in a straight line, it will go in a straight line. Okay, it will shoot in a straight line. So similarly, this radiation have no mass. We cannot measure it. Okay, it has no mass. But matter, it is having mass. Okay, when you take a sand, you can measure it. It is having mass. And also the radiation, we can experience it, but we cannot feel it. Okay, it is not visible. We can experience it. But when we consider a matter, it is visible, and we can also, it will be having some volume. Adukku oru volume irukum illaya, idella matter oda property. And in the radiation, we know definitely it will be having energy. Okay, and matter also we know that it is having some energy. And also we know that the radiation will be having momentum. It will be having certain frequency. It will be having certain energy. Similarly, matter is also having certain momentum. Idu nama padichomla, light ku momentum irukku, ellame irukku nu paathom illaya. Matter also we know that. Okay, it will be having momentum, energy, kinetic energy, everything it will also have. Okay, then the representative of radiation, edha vachu nama vandu okay the radiation appdi nama represent pandrom appadina light. So light is the representation of this radiation. Using this we are studying such a property. Okay, this is the representation of radiation. Then similarly, matter, for matter, electron is the representation. The smallest unit of matter is electron. Okay, this is the smallest representative of matter. Electron is matter oda romba chinna representative appadina nama vandu electron sollalam. Okay, so these are some of the characteristics of radiation and matter. Okay, so whatever maybe, if you take a light, okay, it will also, so you just listen it clearly. If we take the light, okay, so the light will also go in a straight line. Sometimes it can follow a straight line. That ray optics are behave. sometimes it is having wave nature. Okay, similarly light we can it is visible. Okay, and also it will be having energy, it is having momentum. எல்லாமே இருக்கு, இந்த நேச்சரும் இருக்கு, இந்த நேச்சரும் இருக்கு. Similarly, when you take an electron, it will also spread like a wave because lightலையும் என்ன இருக்கு, that is because of the acceleration of electron நால தான் அது வந்து நமக்கு produce ஆகுது அப்படி நம்ம பார்த்தது. waves produce ஆகுறதே because of the acceleration of electron. அப்ப அங்க electron இருக்கு இல்லையா? so இதுலயும் என்ன இருக்கு, electronோட property இருக்கு, அதாவது matterோட property இருக்கு. so எல்லாமே பாத்தீங்கன்னா இதை எடுத்து இதை பாத்தீங்கன்னா இந்த ப்ராப்பர்ட்டிஸ் எல்லாம் அங்க ஒபே ஆகும். so இதை எடுத்து இங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா இதோட ப்ராப்பர்ட்டிஸ் எல்லாம் இங்க ஒபே ஆகும். so sometimes this will behave, this light will behave as a matter, sometimes in some circumstances. Okay, some situations it will having the property of matter, in some situation it will having the property of radiation. Similarly, electron or matter will have some, in some situation it will be having all these properties, and in some other situation it will be having all these properties. Okay, so finally we can conclude that the matters or the materials in the universe have two properties. Okay, one is radiation and matter. நம்ம ரெண்டா அத வந்து யூனிவர்ஸையே ரெண்டா நம்ம கேட்டகரைஸ் பண்ணலாம். இது வந்து வேவ் நேச்சர், அதாவது இது வந்து ரேடியேஷன், இது வந்து மேட்டர் அப்படின்னு கேட்டகரைஸ் பண்ணலாம். பட் we cannot separate radiation and matter. Okay, because சொன்னேன் இல்லையா, நம்ம இப்படி கேட்டகரைஸ் பண்ணாலும் சில சிச்சுவேஷன்ல இந்த ரேடியேஷன் மேட்டரா பிஹேவ் பண்ணும், இந்த மேட்டர்ஸ் வந்து ரேடியேஷனா பிஹேவ் பண்ணும். ஓகே, ஸோ ஃபைனலி we can say that all the materials in the universe has dual nature. எல்லாருக்குமே ரெண்டு, நம்ம சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா, ஒருத்தங்களை பார்த்தா அவங்களுக்கு ரெண்டு முகம் இருக்கும், இங்க இப்படி இருப்பாங்க வீட்டில் அப்படி இருப்பாங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. அதே மாதிரி all the materials in the universe has dual nature. In some circumstances it will behave as a radiation, in some circumstances it will behave as a matter. Okay, so that is the dual nature of radiation and matter. இது ரெண்டுக்குமே என்ன இருக்கு, இதுக்கு இதோட ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி இருக்கு, இது இதோட ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி இருக்கு, பட் சிச்சுவேஷனுக்கு ஏற்ற மாதிரி it will vary. Okay, so in this entire unit we are going to study about the wave nature of the particle and also the particle nature of the wave. Okay, அதாவது வேவுக்கு என்ன பார்ட்டிகல் நேச்சர் இருக்கு, பார்ட்டிகிளுக்கு என்ன வேவ் நேச்சர் இருக்கு அப்படிங்கறத through many observations, okay, many experiments and observations we are going to study these how this duality exists அப்படிங்கறத we are going to discuss it. Okay, hope you could understood about what is radiation and what is matter and what is the duality. Okay, what is the this dual nature in the universe. Okay, dual nature, all the materials in the universe has dual nature. In some circumstances it will behave as wave, in some circumstances it will behave as a matter. Okay, in this entire unit we are going to discuss this, and I hope you could understood it, and thank you for watching.